Welcome to Chennai Press News Channel. Grand Continent Hotels Limited today launched its new hotel, Grand Continent Premiere T Nagar, perfectly positioned in the heart of the city. Designed to meet the needs of both business and leisure travelers, the hotel blends style, comfort and convenience at an exceptional value. Grand Continent Premiere T Nagar opens as the brand's premier property, setting a new benchmark for upscale comfort in Chennai's mid-market hospitality space. Offering 72 tastefully designed and furnished rooms, ranging from 28 square meters to 48 square meters, the hotel presents 5 distinct room categories, each outfitted with modern amenities that ensure a seamless stay. During the launch, Ramesh Siva, founder and managing director of Grand Continent Hotels Limited said, "We are delighted to launch our 22nd hotel in the vibrant heart of Chennai. We have carefully curated each space to reflect the needs of today's conscious traveler."
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Grand Continent Hotels. Grand Continent Hotels started in 2011 with its first hotel in Bangalore with 54 rooms. Today, we are standing at close to 1,000 plus keys in 10 cities with more than 21 hotels operating, and this hotel, Grand Continent Premiere T Nagar, is the 22nd hotel for us. It's a very, very proud moment for Grand Continent that we have started the hotel in Chennai in T Nagar. This is our third property in T Nagar, Chennai. We have properties across South India and in Goa. In southern part of India, we have covered all the states in Tamil Nadu. We have done it in Andhra, Telangana, and we have also hotels in Goa. Our major concentration of our business here today is the corporate segment of customers, what we are looking at. We are having, out of the 22 properties what we have today, 16 hotels are corporate hotels, 4 hotels are leisure hotels, and 2 hotels are pilgrimage center. Grand Continent has got a very big vision in the future. We are planning to come up with other 1,000 keys every year, and we are planning to deliver at least around about 5,000 keys by 2028-29. The dreams are big for Grand Continent, and with the support of the entire management team, I'm sure we'll be able to deliver and do what best we can. Grand Continent stands apart from the other units, other brands, only with the services and the facilities what we give inside this property. I'm sure with the support of the entire press, media and all the people, I'm sure that we will be able to do much better than what we are doing today. We are a listed company, and we are sure that there is no boundaries which are going to stop us. Thank you for coming and making this occasion a grand one.